I sent my hair analysis off about 2.5 months ago, and I received my results pretty quickly within a couple of weeks. Kristen was really knowledgeable and explaining my results in a way that I could understand. I liked it that I was able to get the analysis done and receive my results from the comfort of my home and at a time that was convenient for me, which is important with having a little baby at home. So I've been following the program for about 2 months now. That includes taking the supplements based on my hair analysis results, as well as tweaking some things in my diet and lifestyle as recommended by the program. Before starting the program, I was pretty health conscious anyway, so I wasn't sure if I would see much improvement, but I actually did, and pretty quickly. It was about a month into it that I noticed I had more energy, and overall I just feel better. It's been 2 months now. So my motivation to try this hair analysis, it was to do with energy and just overall health. So I'll absolutely be continuing with this program. Overall, the process was simple and easy, and the results have definitely exceeded my expectation.